everybody, I'm MelissaLeigh-Ann, and today we are doing an unboxing. Waiting for this book to come. I hesitated buying it, but after doing extensive research and hearing all the reviews about this book, I'm finally gonna unbox it here today. So I'm super excited. The mail just ran. So let's see what's inside. I'm super excited. I wish I would have got the hard copy. Sorry, it's upside down. But I got the Save the Cat Writes a Novel book. I am super excited about this. I want to read about the story beats, and hopefully that'll help me with my next best-selling book or novel for you guys. So wish me luck. If you guys have read this one and checked this one out already, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think, and if there's somewhere I should skip ahead to, let me know that as well. All right, guys, till next time.